Hi kids, it's Mr. Idovich here for Grammar Minute 20. We've been working on proper nouns, which we did yesterday. We're going to continue working on proper nouns today. And today you're going to circle the proper nouns in the sentences and then write them correctly on the line. So when they say write them, they just mean the proper noun. You do not need to rewrite the entire sentence. Only the proper nouns. Okay, so if you rewrite the entire sentence, you're doing a little bit too much. So I'll pause it, zoom in, and we'll take a look at the first 5, and then we'll go from there. Number 1 says, Jerry made a pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving dinner. Proper nouns are nouns that identify a specific person, place, or thing. In this case, Jerry is a specific person, and Thanksgiving is a specific holiday. So I would write Jerry with a capital J on the line, and then I'm just going to put a comma, and the other word I'm going to write with a capital letter is Thanksgiving. So when you do this, this is all you're doing, and we'll go through the first 5 together. So if you need to pause it, just make sure you pause it and get your stuff written in and then move on. Number 2, watching the sunset over Stone Mountain was exciting. So this one is a little bit more difficult because Stone Mountain is the name of a mountain. Like yesterday we talked about Mount Everest. But you have to really know what you're doing in order to find that out. Stone and mountain are both proper nouns because it's the name of one mountain. So when I write Stone Mountain, I'm going to capitalize both letters in Stone Mountain. And if you ever see these little 3 underlines under a letter, that means to capitalize it. Okay, we haven't talked about that yet, but we will. Number 3, Marcia always wakes up late on Monday mornings. Marcia identifies a specific person. Monday identifies a specific day of the week. So for this one, I'm going to capitalize Marcia. I'm going to put my comma in to separate it out, and then I'm going to capitalize Monday. Number 4, we took our dog Peaches to see Dr. Sam. In this case, Peaches is the name of the dog, so that's a specific thing or animal. And Dr. Sam is a specific person. And again, in this case, both Dr. and Sam are capitalized. So when you write this out underneath, it should look like this. Capital P for Peaches, comma to separate your words, and then Dr. Sam. Okay, both Dr. and Sam are capitalized, and don't forget the abbreviation period that goes in there. Number 5, my favorite story is The 3 Little Pigs. In this case, we're going to go all the way to 3 Little Pigs. We don't need to include the quotation marks, but this is the title of a story, so it's a specific story. So I'm going to go down to my line, and I'm just going to capitalize the, and then 3, and then capitalize little, and then pigs. So in a story or a movie title or a book title, all of the important words get a capital letter. And we'll just, for now, I mean, if you just capitalize all of them, you'll be okay. But as we get further along into 4th and 5th grade, there are certain words in titles that we don't capitalize. But in this case, we will capitalize all 4 words in the title of The 3 Little Pigs. So, number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, you're going to do on your own. I will read them to you, and then you'll go back through and you'll finish those up, and then you'll pause the video, finish those up, and then come back and check your work. Number 6, we ate dinner at Rick's Steakhouse. Number 7, we are reading Stuart Little by E.B. White in class. Number 8, Janice and her family took a trip to Mount Rushmore. Number 9, January is one of the coldest months in Chicago. And number 10, they went on a trip to Denver, Colorado. Please pause your video and finish 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back and check your work. Now that you're back, once you finish everything, number 6 should be Rick's Steakhouse. Number 7, Stuart Little and E.B. White. Number 8, Janice and Mount Rushmore. Number 9, January and Chicago. And number 10, Denver and Colorado. So I'll give you one last shot of what it looks like when you're all done, and then you will be off to do other great things. Thanks, kids.